Hello! Welcome to the Rent Predictor dashboard. The dashboard was created by the Carlson School of Management's Analytics Lab. The project was sponsored by the McKnight Foundation, and the primary client was HousingLink. The dashboard consists of 4 tabs. The Welcome tab that we currently find ourselves on, the Graph tab, which allows for comparisons of different area rents over time, the Map tab, which allows for a spatial view of area rents, and the README tab, which provides usage notes. The Welcome tab, which we are currently on, includes information to situate the user on why the tool was created and the purposes it might be used for. Now we will look at the Graph tab. The Graph tab allows for easy comparison of median rents between different locations. Looking at the visual box, we see that the y-axis is the inflation-adjusted median weighted rent. Inflation adjustment means that for each year, the y-values of the graph are in the same year's dollars. When this tool was released, all values were in 2017 dollars, since this was the last year of historical data. Weighted means that the rents used to calculate the locational median rent were normalized to that of a 2-bedroom rent. To use this visual, we must first select a geographic level. We have many options for this example. We will select the Minneapolis community to learn more about the downtown area. Next, we'll select a specific geography, Central. As we can see from the graph legend, we have 2 lines. The black line represents rents in downtown Minneapolis, or the Central community. The light purple line are rents that are affordable at the Twin Cities 60% area median income threshold, as seen in the legend here as well. The purple line ends in 2017 because that is the last year of historical data that we have. Additionally, we can see that we have the ability to hover and pull up contextual information. This works for any data point. There's more though. We can also compare across 2 different geographic levels. We can do this by selecting the Display an Additional Geographic Level box. This opens up a new menu. We can then compare to the Hennepin County. The dashboard has the ability for typing as well. Now Hennepin is in black, and Central is in gold. We can see that those rents in black, Hennepin County, have been moving from affordable to unaffordable at the 60% area median income level over time. It appears that this change began in 2013. As of 2017, they're notably above the 60% AMI line. Our model predicts that they'll only increase over time. However, for Central, our model predicts that rents will be flat over time. Now that we understand the Graph tab, we'll look at the Map tab. But there's one final thing to note. You have the option to reset selections by clicking this box. This takes you back to the initial view. The Map tab allows the user to visualize rents spatially over time. The map is highly interactive. You can pan and zoom. As you zoom, the base layer will return more in-depth information. You can see things like smaller streets and geographic features like Lake Calhoun. Now let's say we are interested in understanding rents at the census tract level for St. Paul planning districts. We would select the tract level. Then, as our geographic constraint level, we would select St. Paul planning districts. And then we would select all the districts together with a few clicks. Once again, we can pan and zoom around the map. The legend shows median rental values in bins. Darker means more extreme, either high or low rents. Orange indicates lower rents, and purple indicates higher rents. So dark purple are our highest rents, and dark orange are our lowest rents. Colors were chosen for color blindness reasons. Hovering also shows contextual information. Note that after the last year of historical data in this video, 2017, we no longer have values for subsidized and total market units, because we do not predict these. As we can see, subsidized units now shows NA, and market units now shows NA. An additional feature of the map is the ability to cycle through years automatically to get a visual effect of change over time. Here we would reset the map in 2011, and we would press the play button. We can watch as the map changes over time, as St. Paul rents increase. The map can be easily reset, just like the graph. Another useful option is the ability to show missing locations. In this case, we might have been interested in looking at cities in Anoka County. Select County, and then Anoka. What we'll see is that we're missing information, but we don't necessarily know what cities we're missing. So we can click the Show Missing/NA button. Now we can zoom in and see specifically what cities we were missing. And these were likely dropped because we did not have enough rental information or enough demographic information. That covers the Map tab. Now we'll take a look at our last tab, the README. This tab contains information on the visuals and underlying data. The table of contents is interactive as well. This concludes the tour of the rental prediction dashboard. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the dashboard and understand a potential use case.